Jay, what are you doing here?
Nandiyan ba si Peter?
Sorry, he's not home. Did something happen? She was just looking for you. Just don't say anything that's gonna make her worry.
I'm sorry kung minamadali kita ha. I just want now. You know, we have enough time to prepare.
Presenting my masterpiece.
Don't you like it? Lola! Nandito na pala. Ako ba walang yakap?
Hey, Jay.
Ikaw pala yung mapapangasawa ng anak ko?
Sure?
Ano nangyari sa'yo? Saan ka nanggaling?
I missed you.
Ano nga palang ginagawa mo dito, Keeper?
I came to see JJ. He will be my best man. No, he will be my best man.
Ano pag-uusapan natin, David?
You fucking bastard! Don't fucking touch me. Don't come closer, Jay. Sabihin mo na kasi yung totoo.
Ano pala yung sinasabi niya?
You sure you wanna hear it?